Hi everyone. In today's video, we'll be walking you through the step-by-step process of how to stop the snipping tool from taking screenshots. Whether you want to disable the print screen shortcut or prevent automatic screenshot saving, this guide will help you customize the snipping tool to suit your needs. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the snipping tool on your computer. Once it's open, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the window to open the menu. From the menu, select Change Windows Settings. Step 2. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the On-Screen Keyboard section. Look for the option labeled Use the print screen key to open screen capture. Toggle this option off to disable the print screen shortcut for the snipping tool. Step 3. If you also want to stop the snipping tool from automatically saving screenshots, go back to the snipping tool app. Turn off the option labeled Automatically Save Screenshots. And that's it. You've successfully stopped the snipping tool from taking screenshots automatically and disabled the print screen shortcut. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.